In this video, I want to demonstrate how to convert all these sketch entities into a composite curve. So the first thing I'm going to do is from the Features ribbon, I'm going to come over to Curve, select the drop-down arrow and choose Composite Curve. I'm going to select each entity I wish to join into the composite curve. And I accidentally remove this, so I'll put it back and I'll right-click to accept it. So I've created my composite curve and it worked out, and that's great. What do you do if yours doesn't work? Well, I'm going to delete this composite curve. And what I would encourage you to do if you're having trouble, I'll just turn the visibility of these sketches back on. So again, I'm going to go Curves, Composite Curve, just select, start at one end of your part, I'll select this, and then I'll select this, and I'll say OK. If that creates a composite curve, that wasn't where your issue is. So what you want to do next is come over here, click on your composite curve, tell it to edit the feature, and add the next entity, and again right click. As long as it creates the curve, that's not where your issue is. Once it fails, where those two entities join is where your issue is. You'll need to go back and edit the sketch and correct it. So I'm going to continue on. Again, I'm going to click on white space, select this, edit the feature, and now I'm going to add this joint. And I'll right click, and I'll keep adding one entity or sketch entity at a time until I find where the issue is. So again, I'm going to complete my composite curve, select the last sketch, say OK. And in the next video, we'll look at how to convert this composite curve to a 3D sketch and then a spline. And the reason we want to do that, I'm just going to select this composite curve, and I'm going to make a sweep boss at this point using a circular profile. And I'll make the diameter of the wire 80 thou. I'll say OK. So this works, but the transition here isn't very nice. To make a better transition, I'll just delete my sweep. Say yes. To make a better transition, in the next video, we'll look at how we convert this to a 3D sketch and then a spline where we can control the transition better.